So most of the students, when they start studying, they face one problem, that when they start studying, they consume too much of time on particular topic, particular subject. So they doesn't know when to start and when to end the particular subject. So here I wanted to know what can be the effective time management strategies.
Success in academics isn't just intelligence. It's about developing effective study habits. Staying organized and prioritizing tasks is essential for managing time effectively. Instead of cramming, spacing out study sessions allows for better retention and reduced stress. Taking regular breaks is equally important. Studying for long hours without rest can lead to exhaustion. So, stepping away for a short stroll or having a cup of tea, coffee, or juice can help refresh the mind and maintain focus. A positive mindset plays a crucial role in learning. Believing in yourself, focusing on your strengths, and working on your weaknesses can make a big difference. Success comes from effort, not just luck. Asking questions and being curious helps deepen understanding and keep learning engaging. Sometimes, a change in study environment can boost concentration. Studying in the same place every day can become monotonous. So, switching locations occasionally can bring a fresh perspective and enhance productivity. Ultimately, success requires perseverance, dedication, and consistency. Anyone can develop good study habits with commitment and the right approach, making learning more effective, enjoyable, and rewarding.